Hey everyone, this is a new windshield that I got from 10 LOL on Amazon for about $110. It's an upgrade from the old original ones, and they have really nice hinges and really nice uh, rubber stops. And the assembly was extremely easy, and it just folds right on up, and you attach it with these rubber stops. And it's got an interesting space here where the hinge is, and it's nice and just updated from the previous one. And it's tinted, so all those who need another windshield upgrade, that's where you should go. All right, thank you.